over a decade, Cebu-based conglomerate Topline has built a reputation for excellence, serving a diverse clientele across key sectors which include port operations and management, real estate development, clean and green technology, port and ferry terminal operations, technology research and development, and restaurant operations and manpower services. As it celebrates its 11th year of service this 2024, the company expressed its gratitude to all the people behind its growth who they continuously empower through trainings and development programs. A major highlight of their anniversary was the launch of Topline's Light Fuel Express stations, which will offer convenient fuel access to two-wheeled and light four-wheeled vehicles. They will start building these stations within Metro Cebu and in nearby areas in the province.
Ang kana lang sa expansion, we want to make sure lang sa we want to expand here first in Cebu, just to make sure po that ang base is ready. We don't know yet kung when.
But you're from Mindanao, the family
correct.
is from Mindanao.
Family is from Mindanao.
Kano sa mo adto sa Mindanao?
We'll see kung kano sa, but right now we're focusing on Metro Cebu sa expansion kay mas daghang mag-opportunity po diri.
This also comes with a Light Rewards app to give perks to its loyal customers.
Actually, if you think about different reward system ba, even kita right now, if there's some points, balik ka. But it's basically customer retention. But for us, what we're doing here is we're setting the foundation first for the different businesses in Topline. You can use the Light Rewards. So it's not only limited to the gasoline station, the service station. If madto ka sa South Bus, because it's under Topline, you can also book a reward system through that app, and then you get a free rewards.
So under Topline MyTag, if you buy a ticket to a bus, the South Bus Terminal or North Bus Terminal, you get a chance to earn points too. Or if you buy a ticket at PRTA or Topline C-Bus, or eventually sa Bay Mall, we can incorporate other tenants na maka-enjoy rewards ang mga customers nato.
These initiatives exemplify the company's core value of service at heart, a testament to Topline's dedication to both its clients and its people.
As we look to the future, we remain focused on growing, innovating, and contributing to the future of the industry. As our dream continues to grow, so does our dedication to progress and commitment, and for Topline to charge forward. Topline is our commitment to Cebu, the Philippines, and the rest of the world.
The night was also marked with performances and an awarding ceremony to recognize the company's top-performing service awardees. This has been Andrea Patania Matthew for MyTV Cebu.